In this question I'm going to simplify some algebraic fractions, so I'm going to start by simplifying the numerator and then afterwards move on and simplify the denominator. So numerator first, that's x squared plus 3x minus 4. So I want two numbers that multiply to give me minus 4 and add together to give me 3. That could be minus 1 and 4, 1 and minus 4, or minus 2 and 2. Now I know that minus 1 plus 4 gives me the plus 3 that I require, so here are my two numbers, and I can factorise this expression into x minus 1, x plus 4. Now on to the denominator. 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. So the trick here that I'm going to use is to multiply the first and last numbers to give me plus 6. So I want two numbers that multiply to give me plus 6 and add together to give me minus 5. Those numbers could be 1 and 6, minus 1 and minus 6, 2 and 3, or minus 2 and minus 3. Now obviously here my answer is at this end, minus 2 and minus 3 add together to give me minus 5. So let's take that and use it. That's now 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x, using these numbers here to break apart my x, and then I've got my plus 3 on the end, which I don't change. Now I split this and factorise the front and factorise the back. Factorising the front leaves me with 2x lots of x minus 1. Now I know the back should be x minus 1 immediately. What do I need to multiply this by to get minus 3x? That is minus 3. Double check. Minus 3 times by minus 1 does give me positive 3. I can now continue and write this as x minus 1 lots of, by factorising out the x minus 1, and in here 2x minus 3. So going back to our original problem, our numerator can now be expressed as x minus 1 lots of x plus 4, and the denominator as x minus 1 lots of 2x minus 3. And I can see that I've got a common factor on the numerator and denominator, so my final answer should be x plus 4 all over 2x minus 3. In part B, I'm looking at writing this as a single fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so I need to find a common denominator, and my common denominator is going to be x plus 2 times x minus 2. I'm going to multiply all of the first fraction by x minus 2, so that's 4 lots of x minus 2. And I'm going to multiply all of my second fraction by x plus 2, so this becomes 3 lots of x plus 2. We've created our common denominator. Now all we need to do is to give this in its simplest form, so I need to expand my top and collect like terms. So I've got 4x minus 8 plus 3x plus 6 all over x plus 2 lots of x minus 2. This now gives me 7x minus 2 all over x plus 2 x minus 2. And at this point I'm finished. I can't simplify this anymore, I can't factorise the top, and there are no common factors top and bottom. So my question is done.